Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you that I went home early today because of a stomach virus, I believe. And I just want to tell you that I'm fine and I'll be back very soon. No need to worry, and I just wanted to update you on that. But there's also one other thing I wanted to update you on, and that is about my first subscriber and my channel that I had for 3 days or 4. And I'd like to say thank you for subscribing, and if anyone else would like to subscribe, then please do. It'll really make me happy, and it'll help me on my journey to becoming a YouTuber. Well, a better YouTuber. Not a beginner, starter, whatever you call it. Beginner is what I call it. I don't want to be a beginner no more. So please do subscribe, because it'll help me a lot. Anyways, that's all I wanted to update you on. Sorry if you can't hear me over my air conditioner, that's loud. Anyways, please do leave a like and comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. Like I said before, it'll help me on my journey.